Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego EV3 skier guy. I mean, it's so big I can't even fit this into the entire picture. But it's just a really cool robot that I built. I can let you see it. There really wasn't any instructions. I just needed something big enough to basically go down the stairs with. It's kind of one of my Home Alone type robots here, where you remember Kevin goes down the stairs with his toboggan. But I wanted a skier guy because I actually wanted to use these motors to kind of push like skiers do with their poles. So if you want to see the skier guy, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. Hey, before we get to the video, I wanted to show you a video that Steve sent me. Steve from Texas. Big shout out to Steve. He sent me this video of this robot at Walmart. It's a cleaner robot. Let me go ahead and show it to you. Super cool robot. I mean, I was looking at this thing going, how in the world does it know where to go? So I want to thank Steve for showing that to us. And I have taken a picture of a robot that I saw at Walmart. It's an inventory robot. I don't know if you've ever seen this one before, but it goes up and down the aisles. There's a bunch of lights and cameras, and it basically shows, or it takes pictures of the shelves, and it kind of relays the inventory information to whoever needs to know what's on the shelf. So check this out. So I just thought you guys would want to see those cool Walmart robots. Thank you, Steve, for the video of that robot, and the one that I took for the inventory. It's just really cool, and you can see how robotics is starting to, just get into places that we go, interacting with, humans to be able to make lives a little better. So this video is going to be a kind of a combination of letting you see the skier guy just kind of push himself along the table here. It's going to be kind of a skier slash rower, because you almost think of rowing, when they're rowing back and forth. But what's kind of neat is it moves. So it's kind of one of these, walker. Well, he's not really walking. He's going to be on wheels, but it's actually going to be a skier too. Stay tuned at the end, because I'm going to send this guy down the stairs. But let's go ahead and take a look at him first. Okay, I definitely think this guy wins the longest robot award. I don't know if I've ever built one this long before. When I was building it, I just wanted it to be able to go down the stairs. And because there's such a big gap between each step, I just needed it to be long enough so the skis would not get hung up. But let me go ahead and just let you see what this looks like. I have it on wheels just because I want him to travel along this table. Obviously, he doesn't need wheels to go down the stairs. We have the front end here, so he doesn't get hung up on anything right here. I have his arms here. Well, his arms or the pole. And then I have these rubber ends so that he's able to just grab onto the table and push himself this way. And there's the brick. Those picture frames are kind of his legs. And I'm just using 2 large motors. That's pretty much it. And let me go ahead and let you take a look around. So when this guy will move, the arms will basically push the robot along like this. So these wheels, I initially only had the back and the front wheels, but there's so much weight in here in the middle with the brick, I had to put another set of wheels down here. So let's go ahead and just watch the skier push himself. Okay, this guy traveled so far with just one push that I had to come off of the table and on here into the floor. So I don't know if it's going to roll as good on the floor. But he's so long, he travels so far. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how far did it go, Mr. Hino, on just one push? Let's go ahead and find out. It's hard to get to this button. Let me stand up. Do you see? Whoa, do you see what I mean? He almost pushed himself off the table with just one push. Now let's go ahead and take the skier guy to the stairs. Okay guys, so it was just one of those fun robots I've always wanted to make. I'm a big fan of Home Alone, so anytime I see that scene where Kevin goes down the stairs, my mind starts to go, what if I could? And it was so awesome to see him go down the stairs. There was that part where he crashed, and those of you that ski know what a yard sale is, where the poles and skis go everywhere. His arms fell off. But it's just one of those fun things where it's a process, and you go back to the drawing board and you fix things. And so it was just really cool to finally see the skier guy go down the stairs. That was kind of one of my big dreams. So thank you guys for going along the ride with me on the skier guy. It was so fun and cool. All right guys, hopefully you're still having fun, still staying safe. I am Mr. Hino from Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.